So this is the Govee Permanent Outdoor Light. So this is a really cool, maybe you're kind of tired of Christmas, you have to put up the lights, put down the lights. Halloween, put up the lights, put down the lights. You don't have to do that anymore. You can set these up, these permanent lights in your home, and they are super resistant. They can go for up to 10,000 hours, and they have a very special type of lighting. It's a type of like spotlight that we like a lot, and it comes with an app, which is the Govee app. From the Govee app, you can select different modes, different intensities. You can set up a timer. You can also set it up with Alexa. This is what you're gonna get. As you can see, it's a very robust build, I would say. If you get, for example, the 100 feet RGBIC lights, it's going to come with 72 LED lights. And as I said, this is something that you can set up, and you can just, with the touch of a button, every season you can change the color. You can use it white, touch of a button, Halloween lights, a touch of a button, Christmas, and that is it. So super recommended. These are the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2.